Namaste guys, in this video I'm going to make a complex design in Solidworks. So first of all we are going to draw a circle of diameter 50 mm. Make sure they are coincide now. Draw a rectangle. Width is 20 mm. Draw a line. Press escape. Delete all the necessary part. And click on revolve base boss. Select this edge. Click OK. After that, click on the top surface, click on sketch, press Ctrl+8 for normal view, click on polygon, draw a polygon as per your requirement. It must be 47 and click on extrude cut, click on thin feature. Make sure that the thin feature is outside the sketch, okay, and extrude it to the base. Click OK. Now select a face, any face you can, press Ctrl+8, go to sketch, click on sketch, click on convert entities to make it the sketch at the border of the circle. Click on features, click on extrude cut up to 5 mm and select this face, click on fillet, enter the value of fillet 1 mm and select this inner edge, make sure it's also 1 mm, click OK. Now go to circular pattern, click on view temporary axis, click this axis so it can take the axis as a reference, okay. After that click on the features, select the fillet and this extrude cut, click OK and make sure that the number of instances is 6. Click OK. Here you see. Now go to insert, click on features, select move and copy, select this part, select origin. Basically I'm going to translate, so click on origin and check the copy, click on copy and make Y is 10 mm. Click OK. Now again go to insert, click features and click on move copy, select this part, uncheck the copy, click on rotate, select origin and select the Z axis, rotate it to 90 degree. Okay, I select the wrong axis, 0. Select the Y, click 90 degree, yes, it's right, click OK. After that what I'm gonna do is select this edge, enter the value 0.1 mm and select the base, click OK and click on linear pattern, select this view temporary axis and for instances click the 20 mm. Now go down, select bodies, okay, and reverse the direction, select the inner one and click OK. As you can see, we have completed our half work. Now let's make other things. Select the front plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl+8. Draw the sketch. Give him some fillet. Click OK. Click on Revolve Base Boss. Select this line. Click OK. Now select the front plane again. Currently what I'm doing is just making the above and below part of the can. You can make it as per your requirement. Click on fillet. Click OK. Delete this line. Now go to features, click on Revolve Base Boss, select this line. Delete this. Click on Axis of Revolution, select this line. Click select counters, select this and click OK. After that, what is left is just give the rendering. So first thing we need to do is appearances. Click on features, select fillet, give him red color. Delete. I will do the next time. And let's see, let's give some appearances. Let's say painted, car, blue, give it the whole part and hide the view temporary axis, sketches. Click OK, press Ctrl+8, press F. It's done. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any doubts and queries, make sure you ask comments. You can render it can as good as possible. So I hope you like this video and make sure you check out our other video tutorials. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day. And don't forget to subscribe. Namaste.